want to use it. Dog, take a seat. What's this guy standing in line for? He ain't got money to eat. Check this out. Yo. This guy cashed his whole check and bought one homo. Fucking homo, little maggot. You can't hack it. Don't get it. You're a bank. Just so you miss it, don't even risk it.
The guy's starving to death. Someone get him a biscuit. I don't know what they told you, Mike. Look at Polo's roll too tight. Don't quit, but you can't.
You work at this plant so long. You're a plant. Look at your goddamn roots. For Christ's sakes, they're starting to grow roots. On this mic, you be favored.
You look like a pissed off rapper who never made it.
Hey, why you fucking with the gay guy, G? Really, you're the one who's got the HIV.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Never get a real woman, you jackass, go jack off. That's the only way you come in.
Good to see you, brother. Do you want to do something today?
As a matter of fact, I'll have to take me somewhere now. That was easy. Forgive me, I can't get it done in like 10 seconds like all you freaking Asian nerds out there. Or you no lives. What the freak? Oh, look at this. I need 30 seconds. That's green, by the way. It's just faded. In case you don't believe me, there's the white side. It's all white. That's the green side. It's just faded. Yellow, blue, red, and orange. Alright.